Hello guys, welcome to the channel The Amazicellent Hacker. Today I'm going to solve the box The Bounty Hacker from TryHackMe. So before getting into the walkthrough, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So I'm in the site TryHackMe and let's join this room Bounty Hacker. So I've also deployed the machine. It's pretty easy box. Let me quickly show you how I solved the box. Okay, let's get started with the walkthrough. First of all, let's scan the box with nmap. To do that, just type sudo. Okay, let me zoom it a little bit. Sudo nmap -sc to run default scripts -sb to enumerate version capital T 5 to improve trading speed of nmap and the machine's IP. Okay, let it complete the scan. I've already once done the scan, so I'm just gonna cat the output. So you can see here that three ports are open: port 21, 22 and port 80. Okay, let's solve the questions. I've deployed it. So who wrote the task list? So what service can you brute force with the text file found? Okay, let's first check what's in FTP. As you can see here that anonymous FTP login is allowed. Let's check what is there in FTP server. Okay, there are two files, logs and tags. Okay, let me download it in my Kali. I'm kind of actually solving the box in Parrot OS. So let me download it in my system. This mget and this star will just download these two files in our system. Okay, let's check what are they. Protect vicious and plan for red eye pickup on the moon. So actually the task list was from Lynn. Okay, there is another word list file also. Let's check what else we can do with it. Okay, let's go to HTTP server first. Okay, there seems to be a picture. Okay, let's see the page source. Okay, there is nothing in page source. So I think we actually kind of can brute force SSH using this text file. Okay, so let me use Hydra to brute force SSH. Hydra -l len. So if you don't know how to use Hydra to brute force SSH or any other web login page and so on, you can just watch another video on how to use Hydra. I'll just leave the link in the description below. Okay, let's brute force it. Okay, Hydra successfully brute forced and found the password Red Dragon Syndicate. Okay, there was a question, I think. So we kind of brute forced SSH. Okay, let's get inside the box. SSH lane and machine's IP. Forgot to copy it. Okay. Okay, now I'm inside the box. Bounty hacker. It's a little bit slow. Okay, you can get the user flag also. So here is our user flag. Okay, let's next go for a privilege escalation. So if you don't know how to escalate privilege in Linux system or the basic of privilege escalation, I have made a whole series about how to escalate privilege in Linux system. You can also go through that series. I will just leave the link to that playlist also in the description below. Okay, so let's first check with if we got any sudo rights or not. Sudo dash l will just checks for any sudo rights. Okay, what was the password? Okay, we can use tar to escalate the privilege. So what I'm gonna do is just run bin sh command with tar. Let me write it fast. So I kind of use this sudo with slash bin slash char. So this is the basic format of creating a compressed file. So slash def slash null and slash dash slash null does nothing with tar. And now next we are creating a checkpoint. So when tar reaches this checkpoint, it will just execute a command sh rather than bang sh. Let's keep bin sh. Okay, let's run it. Okay, now we got ourselves a root cell. You can see here that we are a root user. Okay, let's get the root flag also. Okay, now we successfully completed the box. The box was pretty easy. Okay, this much in this video. Thanks for watching it. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, bye.